What's up, guys? Welcome to another Wiggle Feel. In today's Wiggle Feel, we'll be going to talk about how to get the old Wiggle layout back. Okay, so go to Ascensions. So we gotta download this Ascension with the product VV pre-release. To find that, you must go ahead and download it. Get the whole Wiggle layout. You must click on this and click on download place and click on this file I found. And while you do that, click on developer mode, click on the wall unpack. Here's what I'm going to do, okay? When I finish download file, I'm going to click on right file and I'm going to click on select photo. And then what's going to happen is that we're going to get the Ascension. But it requires you to go download this Ascension, which is called Gamble Monkey, which I already downloaded it anyways. Alright, so we're going to hop on to gamblemonkey.net. Once we hop on the file, we're going to we're actually going to we're actually going to open up the we're actually going to open up the so after we download the Gamble Monkey Ascension, here's what we're going to do, okay? Here's what we're actually going to do, okay? Once we're finished downloading it, must click on the Ascensions, right file, and click on Gamble Monkey, and find and click on the gas bomb, and then click on then click on Kuwait. Then what's going to happen is we're going to actually we're going to click on the settings. Not settings. Yeah. I don't know where to go. We're going to click on root galleries, and then we're going to import from file. And then here's what I do to try to fill out the problem. I click on solve group main. When I do that, here's what's going to happen next. It's going to go it's going to Google installation successfully, and guess what will have I fail? Solve group AR. And then after that, we need to refresh the page. and then when we'll click on Gamble Monkey, we will see Sawgoop AR is now sensing of the Gamble Monkey menu. When we'll click on go open Sawgoop settings, here are the layouts. Here is the layout select. Okay, so here's what we're going to do, guys. Okay, we're going to change how the layout that we want it to be, guys. Okay, guys, so here's the layout that we want to be. No, I don't want a Google ball. I want it to be off. Okay, guys, so for the account menu, I'm going to smash head and sing it. Go fast and fucking oil. This is what I want it to be. Cause I love the old Wiggle Bell and the new Wiggle. If it's going to be go fast and get or all go. I mean, it's going to be go fast. I either going to walk go fast and 12 or all Wiggle. And go fast and 12. Because the old group is always spelled no matter what. The upward button. So for the upward button, I want to choose the upward button. And then for the apps button, I want it to be off. Since I'm going for the old Wiggle. We can change our own settings how we want to go for the Sawgoop settings. Now, if we want to choose a custom setting, that's going to be fine with it, guys. But right now, I'm just going to choose the oldest one that Sawgoop has. Is the Go Fast and 8. I'm going for the Go Fast and 8. Alright, so to refresh it, we need to click on refresh page, so swipe down the refresh page icon. When we'll click on it, it's going to refresh the Google page. Okay, so now we got the old Wiggle back, and we want the old Wiggle. Now we already have it back because of my tutorial that I just helped with, guys. So if you want my tutorial, then please like this video right there. Click that like button if you want this video. If this video is helpful, then leave a comment down below. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in another video.